So it's the next day. The garage is a complete mess. I kind of crammed everything on this side, and I want to do a couple things to the garage. The idea is to move everything I can, probably shift it this way, have the GTR on this side of the garage. That way it allows me to back up the GTR out of the garage, clear between the two Teslas. We have two Teslas. The S sits on this side and the X sits on this side. If I were to park the GTR right here where it is, it can't back up freely without bumping into the S. So if I shift it over on that side, I could hug the X all the way towards the wall and have it free flow straight from the back.
Reminiscing about the good old days, you know, tracking my roots, where I came from, where I'm going. But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Ain't nothing changed but the weather. The dangling carrot that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but 2 cents. Shotgun riders, 2 biased, they all liars.
Hop into the Tesla real quick. I know I have a pressure gauge in here somewhere. Alright, gonna check the pressure on all the tires. And I got cobwebs on here. I gotta check the pressure on all the tires real quick. Let's play with the car for a little bit. Should be rise all the way up. That should rise. That's like max height rise. This is gonna be ride height right here. I'll show you guys completely aired out right here. Hold it. Turbo buddy. No? Okay. So we're in the GoPro. I know the lighting's a little bit crazy here, but I wanted you guys to see it. It's nighttime. I was planning to do this in the morning, but I really want to get this going now because I'm excited to drive this again. So these panels are pretty simple. You're just supposed to be able to pull it like this. I do have the 3D panel puller being made right now. Boom, pulled out. I want to actually wrap this panel. I think it'd be kind of cool to wrap this like a carbon fibre right there. Be able to wiggle this off right here. Place this one right in yaw. Work on these clips to get this shifter mount off. Bada bing, bada boom. Don't pull too hard on this, guys, because you got a lot of wires right under this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These are carbon on some of them. So wiggle this out slowly, turn it up. There should be some clips right in here. I should be able to just pull these off pretty simple. You can get different covers for this. There's carbon fiber ones if you really wanted to upgrade everything super carbon on this car. Some of these clips are wedged in there. This one gave me a lot of problems. It was pushed pretty deep, and then you had to like pry it out in between the corners just to get it to slip out right here, but we got it out. All right, let's see if I can grab this out very carefully. This was actually really easy to take out. It's just the pins are the hardest part. A long screwdriver is a trick to get to all of it, but let's swap up the new one for this bad boy. All right, this is the bad boy unit right here that was no bueno. We've got the good unit right here, replacement, with a new wiring harness and stuff. So here's a new screen unit too. Aren't you pretty? And here's the wiring harness right here. Gotta get this slowly up so I can get to this part. Check it out, pulled it off. This is the old unit right here. This is the new unit right here. Since the old screen fits a little bit different from the new screen, you've got to trim these tabs right here. Lucky you've got this handy dandy tool until it sits flush to the screen right here. So I got to keep on going down. This is the old one.
Okay.
It's broken.
Okay.
It's terrible. It caused me a lot of problems. This is the new one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put this in the car now.
Okay.
This is also the new screen. See?
Okay.
That has to go into the car.
Okay.
The old one. This is the old one.
Okay.
This is really bad. It broke.
Okay.
That's it. Now I'm gonna go install it. So this one came with a wiring harness. So this one will attach to the old harness, and this will give its new abilities here, and even a USB for my old car. So now I've got to simply plug and play a bunch of stuff. Nice and tight. Plug and play this bad boy right here. I love you, superhero. Can you give me superpowers so I can finish this?
I'll give you some of mine.
Thank you. All right. Now I gotta figure out which one plugs into this one. One of these females. Oh, right here.
What's your name?
My name?
Yeah.
My name is Papa Poopy. Start zip tying certain pieces to the old harness to make sure it runs in the same pattern, to make sure nothing rubs and goes the wrong way later on. Okay, so I have it semi-on AC accessories to see if it actually runs. So now I've just got to mess with the functions to see if everything's working right now. But it looks like I have, I think, most of my functions.
Okay.
Okay. Function. I'm back up and running. So all of this is not too interesting, so I'm just gonna start assembling all this together, and then hopefully it'll be all done.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
I'm Aaliyah.
Hi, Aaliyah. So she is hanging out with me right now. It's kind of late. You should be sleeping, my love. No? Okay, you go play. I'll be done soon.
Okay.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So right now I'm working on pins for Tuna Crate. These are the pins that we made. These are the pin bottoms that I have. The end result looks like this right here. Really nice, custom, clean, very professional looking. Pins right on the back side. But yeah, Tuna Crate members, you guys get this one. I enjoy making these, like, kind of cool designs. Why are you so cute? Show me your outfit. Show me your outfit. Turn around. Sit. Very cute. Where are you going?
I'm going to Grandma's house.
Okay, I love you. Give me a
I'm
kiss.
gonna miss you.
I miss you too.
I'm staying there, but are you gonna see me again?
Yeah, of course. I love you. Give me a kiss. Oh, I love you, baby. Okay.
But like I say, man, always said it. It's not about the destination. It's all about the journey. Ain't nothing changed but the weather. The dangling carrot that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat